Hi, guys, and welcome back to our series all about creating a beauty influencer website with Wix. Your desktop site is looking stunning, but what about your mobile site? Today, a lot of traffic comes from phones and tablets. If your site doesn't look perfect on mobile, you're going to lose followers, sales, and even brand opportunities. That's why in this video, we're going to learn how to optimize your mobile site to ensure that it's accessible to all, no matter what device they're on. That's why in this video, we're going to learn how to optimize your mobile site to ensure that it's accessible to all, no matter what device they're on. Let's get started. Here on your Wix editor, click on the mobile icon, and you'll now be taken to the mobile site editor. By the way, you don't need to worry about making changes to your mobile site as it won't affect your desktop site. Since your elements will most likely be out of place, then you're just going to need to do a lot of rearranging. So go ahead and properly position your elements. All right, it's looking much better. But apart from rearranging or repositioning your elements, another thing that you need to take note of is that you have to make sure that your texts are well spaced and readable on mobile screens. So their size should also remain consistent. So if your headings are a certain size, the other headings should be too. Same goes for the paragraphs. Moving on, try to see if buttons can easily be clicked on, not too big, but also not too small. And if there are also elements that you don't really need, instead of putting them there, you can actually just hide them. So if you want to learn how to hide an element, just basically click on it, say for example this one, and then click on this hide element button. Once you're done working on your home page, go to menus and pages on the left, and then work on the next page. Simply repeat the process until you finish working on all of the pages on your site. Once you're done, don't forget to click on save to save your changes. And there you have it. You're now just a step closer to launching your site. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, hit the like button and subscribe for more Wix tutorials. Thanks so much for watching, and we hope to see you guys in the next video.